Alright, I got some breaking news. The governor just declared a state of emergency. So I got the gas filled up in the car, so let's go get some gas. Alright, so I'm letting my son drive me to the gas station.
Where are we going?
To the gas station.
Which one?
The Puma. The Puma.
The Puma?
The Puma.
So you want me to just go on that road?
Yep. I don't think you guys can see the gas tanks. Nope. Oh
shit.
Let's see if it's crazy over there. Alright, so we got to the gas station. It's pretty much empty. Maybe because either people already filled up, but we put $75 in. We're at, I don't know if you guys can see that, 16, 17. So we gotta fill up. Ooh, I'm really zoomed in. There we go. I fill these babies up. And then these are gonna fill up the generator. $22, so let me do that. All right, with $70, we got these 3 filled up and the car's filled up. So I gotta come back to fill up the other ones with the other car. Vámonos to the casa. Oh, because I have the key in my pocket. So.
Yeah, that shit was bugging. Locked the, lock the shit on me. You think I could make a U here?
Yeah.
Should I go forward a little bit?
Just make sure you don't hit the thing on the side.
Oh, the e-brakes.
Yeah, you're good. You can make the. No, you can't. So over there is Don Frappe. Who's calling me?
Yeah.
Hello? Oh, my mom's calling.
Why is it still showing the camera like I'm going backwards?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, ¿llegaron?
Sí.
¿Y el nene está bien?
Sí, todavía no le hemos puesto las botas, pero... Yo estoy buscando gasolina y te llamo después.
Ok.
Ok.
Ok, ya.
This is the test to see if you can drive. Oh, watch out, dude.
Nope.
Ooh, scratch. Oh, fuck.
I barely hit it. See, I'm a beast.
Scratch the rims.
No, I didn't. What rims?
Buenas tardes, se aprobada la vocabólica en cambio. Dígame su hola, por favor.
Buena, ¿me puede dar un deluxe wrap individual?
Un deluxe wrap.
Sí.
Ok, un deluxe wrap individual. El pollo picante o a la parrilla.
How do you say it?
Crispy. No?
Grilled.
A la parrilla.
Sí.
Ok, me indicó green.
What she say?
Yeah, grill.
Y eso todo. ¿Más uno?
Ok, si es todo puede pasar a ventanilla, serían 668.
Gracias.
pretty much done filling up. I still have a 5-gallon jug in the office, and I still have to fill up the generator in the office, but I'll do that tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday. Still looking a little quiet around here. Not too many cars, not a big line. So yeah, if I could get this to work. Can't get this thing to work. Alright, so we got a full tank of gas, 317 miles. Alright, for Puerto Rico being declared in a state of emergency, there's not a lot of movement. I think people are still being cautious and not trying to spend so much money on buying things because this tropical storm, or hurricane right now, it's still developing, so people are just doing their thing out. Like Don Frappes and Don Macedo's like full right now. Yo, this gives me like PTSD. Like just driving the car with the smell of gas, so much gas is crazy. Like it reminds me almost 11 months ago, well, 10 and a half, that I was driving the same road at 2 o'clock in the morning to make a 16-17 hour line, to then be told that the gas truck is not coming today, whoop-de-woo, go back home and do it all over again tomorrow. And we did that for 3 days. So the only reason why I'm doing this is because now we have a newborn and we have to be like extra cautious, and we can't run any chances, you know? Like I have to have power. I have to be able to run an AC for him because he gets like crazy heat rashes. And we have enough water. We stockpiled water. We've been doing that for like a month now, so we're good on that. So I know if mom can't breastfeed, then we'll be able to supplement with formula. So we should be good. Now all we need is potable water so we could do like the dishes and flush the toilets and stuff like that. But that's another story. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on over here. It's not as crazy as I thought it would be, because people are still a little skeptical, and on the news they said there's not a present danger, although it's south of Puerto Rico. And from previous hurricanes, I don't trust that because it's south. Anytime it could go up north, and I just don't trust it. Maria taught us a lesson, and we should be prepared regardless. So I stockpile on fuel and water, and we have enough food for a couple weeks. So it won't hurt us because we'll just dump the gas in the cars and do that eventually. So should be good. Should be good. Appreciate you guys watching. We're all good. Nobody's going crazy right now, probably in the metropolitan area because they freak out a lot. But I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace.